What if we could give our children a superpower that helps them understand the world and solve complex problems? Something that makes them ask why and how with genuine excitement? Imagine fostering a lifelong love for discovery right from their earliest years. We inspire scientific curiosity in young minds by actively creating an environment where exploration, observation, and questioning are not just allowed, but are deeply encouraged and celebrated. It is about nurturing a natural sense of wonder through hands-on experiences and open-ended inquiry, rather than just delivering facts. Children are born with an innate curiosity, a powerful drive to make sense of their surroundings, but this natural inclination can diminish if it is not consistently nurtured and directed. Science provides a structured yet endlessly fascinating framework to channel this curiosity, teaching them not only what we know, but more importantly, how we come to know it. This process builds a fundamental foundation for rational thought, critical thinking, and effective problem solving. To begin, encourage active observation by taking regular science walks in your local park or even your backyard. Point out the intricate patterns in nature, the subtle changes in cloud formations, or simply discuss how different types of plants grow and thrive. Instead of always providing the answer, ask open-ended questions like, "What do you notice about this leaf?" Or, "How do you think that bird builds its nest so carefully?" This shifts the focus from rote memorization to genuine investigation. Next, embrace simple home-based experiments as opportunities for scientific exploration. Activities like baking involve chemistry, as ingredients react to create new substances. Building paper airplanes or toy ramps introduces basic principles of physics. Growing seeds in different conditions offers direct lessons in biology. Always emphasize variables and outcomes by asking, "What do you think will happen if we try adding more water?" Or, "Why did this plant grow taller than that one?" These small moments build practical understanding. Crucially, foster a culture of questioning where children feel safe to challenge assumptions and propose their own ideas. When they ask a question, resist the urge to immediately provide the definitive answer. Instead, respond with empowering prompts such as, "How do you think that works?" Or, "What could we do together to find out the answer?" Model your own curiosity, expressing wonder about everyday phenomena and actively seeking answers alongside them. To further enrich their understanding, explore resources beyond your home. Visit local science museums, children's museums with science exhibits, or even observatories. Read engaging nonfiction science books together and watch age-appropriate documentaries that explain complex concepts in an accessible way. Discuss the people behind great discoveries, highlighting the persistence and imagination required for scientific breakthroughs. Moreover, it is vital to teach them that mistakes are not failures but valuable steps in the learning process. Scientific inquiry often involves trials and errors, and many important discoveries emerged from unexpected results. By celebrating every attempt and analyzing what went differently, you teach resilience and the adaptive mindset essential for genuine scientific exploration. Introduce the concept of a growth mindset early on, explaining that intelligence and abilities are not fixed traits but can be developed and strengthened through effort, learning, and persistence. This perspective aligns perfectly with the iterative nature of scientific discovery, where hypotheses are tested, refined, and sometimes completely overturned based on new evidence. Also, help them understand the fundamental idea of falsifiability, which means a scientific idea must be testable and potentially proven false, distinguishing it clearly from beliefs that do not relying on empirical evidence. By nurturing an environment of active questioning, hands-on discovery, and fearless exploration, we empower young minds to not only comprehend the world around them but also to develop the critical thinking skills needed to navigate future challenges. This approach instills a deep appreciation for evidence-based understanding and equips them with the tools to become lifelong, independent learners and thoughtful contributors.
If you're into this, like, subscribe, and drop a comment.